Hey guys, welcome to PyAI Hub. Last time we talked about print, and before that we talked about tuples, lists, dictionaries, all that data structures. We are going to study about sets here now. The dictionary was too long, so I thought to change it to a little bit short. Welcome to sets. So here we are going to learn about Python sets. Python sets are really amazing as they store items without any duplicates so that they don't have any duplicate items or elements in sets. Also, they are unordered. That means the elements don't have any specific order. They doesn't follow any specific order. Okay, so let's start by creating a set and exploring its features. Okay, now we created a Python file sets. And now let's create a set. Here we are creating a set fruit. And we are always start with fruits while creating something. Here, apple, banana, cherry, and mango. Okay, let's print it using a print statement. Fruit set. Okay, try running it. Yeah, just reset it. Now we get this output here. As we know, we created a set called fruits with 4 unique items, and set doesn't allow duplicate items or elements here. So even if we try to add a duplicate element to it, it will be automatically removed. Let's know how it works. Let's add a duplicate element. Try adding an element. So here we use fruits dot add and use parentheses. We can add banana again. So we don't know how will be the output. As we already said, set automatically remove the duplicate element. Let's run and check whether it's running remove or not. Okay. Print after adding duplicate element. Okay. Now call fruits and run. Here, after adding duplicate element, the added banana is not the fruit we try to add is not added here. The banana is a duplicate element, so set recognize it and removed from the fruits. Let's try to add some other fruits. Let's add avocado. So and run it. Now look here. The avocado is added. So here we saw the banana is a duplicate element. Because of that, the set recognizes it. And as you see, the set remains the same because the duplicates are ignored here. And we added a new item avocado and it is added to the set. Okay. So from here, if we try to add a duplicate element to a set, it will remove it automatically. If we try to add other fruits to it, it will be added because it's a new item. It's a unique item. Okay. We can also use a update method instead of using a add. Let's try doing it. Like we always do, we use the variable name and a dot with the keyword update. Here we are using the update method. We are updating it with grapes, kiwi, and pineapple. Okay. Now let's print it. Print the after updation. Okay. After adding multiple elements. Here we are adding the fruits to it, which are not a duplicate element in the fruits. So what happens? We add it. The rest of the fruits we updated is added to the fruits set. So the update method allows us to add multiple elements at once. We can add multiple elements at once. We don't want to use the add method. Other than that, we can use the update method so that we can add it at once. And it's pretty convenient, right? Now let's look at to remove an item from the set. As we look here, we just need to recheck that here we are using a square bracket with the parenthesis. So during the updation, if there are more than if there are multiple elements, we can use update method and we can use a square bracket. Inside that, we just need to give the fruits name, okay, or the items names. So don't mess it with the different brackets because the brackets mean so much. If we forget something, will be error. Okay, now look, it just go like this and it doesn't look good, right? So we can just do it by this way using the square bracket. And we are going to remove items. Here we are trying to add. Here we are using the update method. And now we are using remove method. Okay, to remove method we use, like we said, fruits dot remove with the bracket parenthesis can remove cherry. And let's print after removing cherry. So if we call fruits, we get kiwi, apple, mango, avocado, all this. Here we miss a comma because of it appears like this. So it's in an unordered way. Like we said, we added items in a different way, but we in an ordered way, but it arranged in a different way. Like kiwi comes first, banana, pineapple, apple. Everything got changed the positions. So that's why we call this set as unordered. Okay, now here we removed cherry using the remove method. Yeah, look, the cherry is removed here. So to safely remove an item without causing an error, use discard method. Okay, remove works well, but if it doesn't find the item exists, it will raise an error. So to play it safely, we just using a discard method. Okay. Here we are using fruits dot discard with a bracket. We are discarding kiwi and print fruits after removing kiwi. After using discard, we call fruits. We try to access fruits. Okay, now look, the kiwi is removed from here. If we try to discard another fruit, which is not under fruit set, what happens? We can call melon and try running this. After discarding, there was no error. If we try that here, we just need to try this here. What happened by using the remove keyword? So the key error means the melon is not present there. So because of that, we get a key error. To overcome this error, we use this discard method. So if there is the element present in the list, like our set or not, there will not be an error, and this won't give us interrupt our code. Okay, and we can also use some other options with discard. There's no error, even the item doesn't exist, which means it's much more safer. So if you want to remove and get an arbitrary item from the set, we use pop method. Let's check it out. We already know that we used it in dictionaries, tuples, all that. So we know how to use it to get arbitrary using pop. We are use pop method. So popped item we just store it in a variable, so we can print it just by calling it fruits.pop, as we always do this, and we will call the pop item and print the fruits. Okay, let's print fruits. Let's print in another way using the string. Let's bring the popped item as pop item, and we can print fruits, and let's call fruits here. Okay, now let's run it. We will get the popped item is mango, and the fruits are avocado, banana, apple, grapes, and pineapple. Since our sets are unordered, the pop method removes a random item. Like it can remove any of the item from this. If we do it again, we will get another output. So it remove a random item from the set, and finally we want to clear all items from the set. Like we used all these methods, we will try using it again. So you will be familiar with each and every method. Clearing method. Clearing it. Okay. So here we are clearing the entire set. and fruits dot clear. We are just clearing it. Print after clearing. So this will be empty set for sure. As we know, clearing will clear all the elements in that set. If you call fruits, then the set is empty. So we don't have anything here. And this clear method completely empties the set. So this give output as set. But if you want to delete the set itself, use del keyword. Let's see that too. So here we are just clear the items in the fruits set. But if we want to clear the entire set, like deleting the set itself, deleting the entire set, we can use del plus the variable name. I mean here the set name. So in this we will try running this. After del, the set is no longer available. Like if you try to print a set, this will raise an error. Let's try printing fruits. Just we are printing it. It will raise an error because we deleted it using del keyword. While we are deleting it using a del, the set itself is deleted here now. The set is no longer available. Okay, here we should give the set is no longer available as we deleted the entire set with del keyword. Okay, so this will be an error. So we can put it as a comment. So this is a name error. Okay, this will raise a name error because while running it, it didn't find that fruits because of del keyword we used here. So that's it for today and Python sets. I hope you find it helpful. So don't forget about like, subscribe and hit the bell button. So here we talk about sets. This is a short video. I know it's a little bit short, but you need to understand the concepts, the methods, and the words we used here, the brackets, all that. Because here all these are much more important and we are not going through a deep one because it will result in a long video. So this will be a little bit short, so you will get it and it's much more easy. As we just roll over it, we can say we created a set, we add using an add method, update using update method, remove using remove method, discard, and we also used clear, then we use del keyword. Okay, so here what we studied, just go through each and everything like list, dictionaries, tuple, sets. These all are data structures that is used in Python, and we will come with other function, loop, all that. So stay tuned for that. And I'm eager to know your feedback. Also, what you want about the projects or any methods or any other data structures. I'm waiting for your comments and all. So catch me in GitHub, LinkedIn, or in Instagram. And for now, we are saying bye bye and see you later.